of the event. Right after the picture.
ibirori ni wowe tubikesha.
warakoze ku bwitange, warakoze ku bwa buri kimwe cyose.
Now I would like to invite Your Excellency for your remarks. Thank you, sir.
celebrate for, together with another brother, friend, President of FIFA, Gianni Infantino. They do inspire us to put up a good sporting facility for football like this. Brotherly African countries, and of course beyond, to raise a kind of football through availing this kind of facility to many countries, so that the young people of Africa can have well develop and exercise the huge talent we have in our country. This will lead to more retention of our best talent instead of exporting them all the time. People will still remain free to go wherever they want to be, but they can also go to home for such retention and development of what they want to do. So, Patrice and all of you, I want to thank you for this day, a great day for us, for football. And we will do even more and try to do better. So now there is no excuse for Brian, Mbarubukeye. Have to work hard. You have to work smart, and let's be counted among the best on our continent. So, I wish you a very good evening and a very happy day. More things are ahead of us coming.
Thank you very much, Your Excellency, for your remarks. Now we have two young talents who would like an autograph.
Umufana akaba amaze gutera umupira, akaba atangije umupira ku mugaragaro. Rero ngibi byiza abanyarwanda.
Twaje gutanga ikibuga cy'amahoro aho nk'uko perezida wa repubulika
Umupira ukaba utangiye hano, uko mubibona ni amerab ndetse na polisi FC. Ikaba yaratwaye igikombe cy'amahoro, ikaba yaratwaye igikombe cya shampiyona. Ngayo nguko rero naza kubagezaho uko biri burangire. Thank you.